with is a half a cup how to make so be blessed. Here we go. So here we have some of our yummy lasagna that's in another video, y'all. And I was going to show you one of our favorite toppings for it. As you'll see, this is a yummy, yummy, yummy topping for popcorn or salads or pasta or just by the handful like Steve eats. So it's our Nutty Parm, and you just sprinkle some on whatever you want, and it is absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Hey y'all, just really fast, let's get into this seasoning sprinkle, kind of a Nutty Parm replacement, a Parmesan cheese replacement. It's actually one of Steve's very, very favorite things I make. He actually just walks by and eats it by the handful, but we use it on everything from popcorn to salads to lasagna, pasta, anything you can imagine. This stuff gets sprinkled on because it's so yummy and delicious. And it takes like 30 seconds. So what we're going to do is the easiest recipe in the world to remember too. So it's a half a cup of almonds. If you don't have almonds, use one that you have. A half a cup of Brazil nuts. I know, you have these Brazil nuts in your pantry and you're like, what am I ever going to use these nuts for? Glad you asked. You're going to use it for this. So half a cup of that. Again, if you don't have those nuts, feel free. You can substitute cashews or walnuts or anything. The Brazil nuts though, they kind of have a buttery, creamy, nutty yumminess going on, and I really think it makes it. And also, do this in a food processor, not your NutriBullet or your blender. I did it the first time in that, and I made a nut butter, not a nut crumble. And unless you want to make a nut butter, you don't want to do it in one of those. Do it in the food processor. Okay. And then half a cup of nutritional yeast. So half a cup of 2 kinds of nuts, half a cup of nutritional yeast. And here's our seasonings. You can use whatever kind of seasonings you want. This is about, I don't really measure it, so it's about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of each of these. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, parsley, basil, thyme, all dried. Ground mustard, celery seeds, and did I say turmeric? It has turmeric in it. Anyway, so it's just like this wonderful, yummy, savory spice blend, but do what you want. Taste it and see what you want, and then all you do is just pulse it for like, not pulse it, food process it for just like 30 seconds. That's it. It's a yummy, yummy sprinkle. You don't have to pre-soak your nuts or anything. And it makes quite a bit, as you can see. This won't last very long in our house because it's a snack for Steve, not just a sprinkle to add on top of things. But taste it if you want a little spicy, or don't be afraid to add a little more spice or whatever. It is good without the salt if you're trying to cut back on your sodium. Omit the salt. Again, it's one of those base things that I just want to give you as a helpful, yummy thing that you can use and make. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Be blessed. Oh, be sure to like and subscribe and share and try the recipes. Okay, be blessed.